In today's video lesson, we're going to focus on the idea of finding the volume of triangular prisms. So, the big idea of this lesson is what's the difference between a triangular prism and a rectangular prism? Looking at this triangular prism here, we can see that it kind of looks like a rectangular prism. So, for example, if I was to kind of extend this here. Oh, let's go back. There, we have a rectangular base, so that would make it a rectangular prism, right, if I did this. So you can see how a triangular prism is kind of like half a rectangular prism. So let's look at that further. So you're probably thinking, why is a triangular prism like half a rectangular prism? Well, let's look at this. So we have the triangular prism here, okay? And if I cut out the base here, or the base could be this top part here, because could just flip it over and say that's the base, we would have this, right? And if I make another one, if I duplicate that and flip it around and put the two together, you'll notice that this is a rectangle, right? So if this is a rectangle and one of these is a triangle, then how does that affect our base? Well, the area then is half. So let's put that in the formula. If the area is half, what's our formula for the volume of a triangular prism? So we said that the area of the base of a triangular prism is half as much as a rectangular prism that has the same dimensions. So how can we change our formula? Yeah, well, what's the area of the base? How do we find the area of the base of a rectangle, or the area of a rectangle? Yeah, length times width, and all of that area is divided by 2. And then we still multiply it by the height, because that doesn't change. All right, so that's our formula for a triangular prism.